For 8 years, the rural communities of Makhawula and Ogunjini have had no access to clean running water, getting what they can from stormwater drains and water holes. They now calling on Premier Sihle Zikalala to intervene, saying complaints to the Ndwedwe local municipality have been ignored. Karinda Jagmohan has filed this report.
Insects and tadpoles float about in this stormwater drain. 66-year-old Ndwedwe will walk several kilometers home to try and purify this water before using it in her household.
Malinile ayavaleka sibuye sizomba ngamageja lana sikhipha inhlabathi siphuze kunjalo. Asiwahlanzi ngalutho. Nezingane zine rash yonke lento, zinezilonda ezinye, siwasha la, siphuza la, sigeza khona la.
8 years ago, taps ran dry after the Lembe district municipality opted to use the water tank system.
Kusukela ngo-2012 amanzi ayekhona kompompi, but bawavala ngenhloso yokuthi they introduced i-water can or water tank system. They making money. It's a tender system. Abacabangelanga umphakathi. And mama badala from experience kade niyibonela, they struggling. Bavuka ekseni ngo-3 beyokha amanzi emfuleni engekho esimweni, kepha kunemapayipi kunompompi emizini yabo.
These drains and watering holes are the only sources of water for the community. They say the water truck comes once a month.
Ayinabo nhlobo ubulungisa ngoba besinompompi emakhaya. Besinompompi emakhaya bawavala amanzi. Ayinabo ukubulungisa ngoba ngisho noma ngabe uyagula awunamandla okuzemfuleni kodwa kufanele uzizokha amanzi ukuze ukwazi ukuphekela izingane. Ayikho enye indlela ongahluyenza. Asinala enye plan.
Asiwazi vele aphuma lapha embotsheni ezelana aphuzo nayo izinja.
After their own failed attempts to reach the Ndwedwe local municipality, the community is calling on KwaZulu-Natal Premier Sihle Zikalala, who comes from Ndwedwe, to intervene.
Singasho wona ukuthi siyahlupheka amanzi akasinawo. Wena siyazama sithi siyayikhuluma indaba yamanzi kube hayi sikhuluma edwaleni nje akasichazelwanga ndawo ukuthi amanzi siwathathaphi. Noma bethu bayazama ukuthi basinika ngamathilagi ithilagi ingafiki inhlobo hlobo.
Asked for comment, the Lembe district municipality told Newsroom Africa that questions would be sent to the relevant authorities. For Newsroom Africa on Channel 405, I'm Karinda Jagmohan in Ndwedwe.